single day.
Alright, so the VIN is 1C6RR7FGX GS12732. If we can go ahead and run that and make sure it's not a stolen vehicle. I'm not sure if this guy's even a park ranger. I think he stole this vehicle, shopped it, marked it up. Because I know that a government employee that's paid by tax dollars wouldn't treat the taxpayer like that. So let's go ahead and look it up, make sure this vehicle's not stolen. So you got sheriff out here now. Yeah, that'll work, dude. Thanks, buddy.
Hey, Sherri County, this is Sherri County COPWATCH. I am using any video here with under fair use if you have criticism, reporting, teaching, etc. And please donate. I do not make money from YouTube, and there are different ways to donate in the video links. Thanks.